Congratulations, you're interested in purchasing a property and you're watching this video because you're wondering what the steps are, and I am going to explain them to you right now in this video. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Chris Martin, real estate agent, investor, coach, and if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some other videos on this page that can help you in your journey. All right, so we're going to be talking about step one right now in buying a home, and hopefully you've already scheduled your appointment with me, your real estate agent, and if not, another real estate agent that is going to guide you along this path of home ownership. If you purchased a home already, maybe you're buying another home, whatever that is, you need a professional agent in your corner to help guide you along this process, negotiate the best terms, all those things that real estate agents do so well for you. So do not pass that up without using an agent and not going out there dolo, solo, and working and operating by yourself and buying a property. But again, we're going to talk today about the process in buying a home, and step one will be meeting with your agent. This is going to set the stage on how that agent's going to help you, what they're actually specifically going to do to help provide value to you in that home buying process. What are they going to be doing to provide value to you? Why is it better to use them than anyone else? What is it that they're going to do to help you rather than you not using an agent at all? And what that relationship is going to look like. They're also going to be using that time to better understand you, or should be using that time to better understand you and exactly what it is that you're looking for and why you are looking for those things that you're looking for, so they can really build a custom criteria out that can hopefully find you the house that best suits you. So this meeting shouldn't be more than 30 minutes or so, and again, it's about better understanding your criteria and letting you know what they do to help, and maybe giving you a glimpse into the process themselves and how they're going to operate and what the process looks like and the timeline and so on and so forth. But that's going to be step one, meeting with an agent, finding an agent. If you don't know an agent, maybe you're not in my area, you're not going to use me. If you are in my area, then reach out to me. You can hit me up, my contact information is below, but if not, ask friends, ask family, ask people who purchased properties before, who they used, and interview an agent or two if you feel like that's not the person for you. This is going to be a marriage. Once you choose an agent, remember, this process could be 3 months, it could be 6 months, it could be a year. You're going to be pretty much married to this person for that period of time, so you have to make sure that this person is someone that you can vibe with, someone that you genuinely feel is going to help you out in that process. So that's going to be step one, making sure that you can connect with that person and you choose someone wisely. So some things to consider when looking for an agent: you want to make sure that they're working or have knowledge about the areas that you are interested in. You don't want to be choosing an agent that has nothing to do with any of the areas that you are interested in. You want someone who knows the area. Maybe they live in the area, or they lived in the area. They have some general knowledge of that area. That way they can help you out. Maybe they specialize in this market, or maybe they specialize in a couple of markets. But that's what you want. You want someone who knows the ins and the outs of that community, that also has contacts and has good relationships with other agents. You really want to ask that question. How long have they been in the business? It's not always about the length that they've been in the business, but sometimes there's some advantages that do come with that. So for me, I've been in this business for 15 plus years, and I have great relationships. That actually helps my clients, because when it comes down to submitting offers, I can actually, a lot of the times, I know the other agent on the other side, and that there might be some opportunity there where they may want to work with me versus working for another agent or working with another agent. If you look at offers maybe being the same, and it comes down to really who they want to work with, there's some upside there. So finding out who they are, where they are, what areas they cover, what areas do they like covering, and making sure that fits with what you're looking for. I mentioned quickly about being in the business for a certain period of time. I look at that as being an advantage most of the time. Sometimes it can be a disadvantage. Someone has been in the business for X amount of years and they kind of just ride in the wave and they're halfway checked out, that can be a negative, right? So you want to make sure that that's not the person with experience, but you also want to have that balance. You know, sometimes newer agents are great, they're all in, they give you all their attention, so there is a balance there that you want to make sure is fitting to what you're looking for. How has that agent helped other clients before in the past? So finding out what their strengths are, making sure that they're good negotiators. Have they helped their clients save money before? Are they good at negotiating terms? Because it's not just about the purchase price, it's also the terms of the deal and making sure that agent is well aware of negotiating the best terms for you, the buyer. It's, you know, the price, of course. Are they negotiating any closing costs in for you? Are they making sure that your closing dates are coincided with your commitment dates, and are they negotiating inspections in? Are they not negotiating inspections in? What does that look like? And depending on where you are in the market, it may look differently, but how does their overall negotiating look like, and how do they structure deals? What are they good at? So step number one, simply choose an agent. Choose an agent, meet with an agent, get to know an agent or two, and find the best agent that suits you in your real estate journey. Hopefully that helps. Check out the other videos, steps 2, 3, 4, so you can fully understand the full buying process of buying a home. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.